Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how you can upgrade your RAM or anything anything you want, or you can upgrade your RAM, or simply how you can open this laptop up and upgrade it if you want it. So guys, I'm gonna show you how you can do it today. I'm using this kit, this LCD screen cleaner, to clean up this laptop. I'm just I have my both slots intact. So I'm going to just open it and show you guys how you can upgrade SSD SSD or RAM or hard disk, anything, and how you can open this laptop up and you can clean it. So I'm going to use this tool to open this laptop. See, so this laptop is Dell Inspiron 5570 laptop, and today I'm going to open it for you guys. First of all, you need to unscrew this right here. This laptop model number is Dell Inspiron 5570. After that, you need to just pull it out. Just pull it out gently. This is C drive. I'm gonna put it here. After there is two screws. You need to open this up. So I'm unscrewing these two screws. If you're opening this laptop for the first time, it should be hard, and make sure you use the correct bit for this unscrewing this screw, because if you use wrong bit, then it may damage your laptop screw. So make sure of that. So I'm going to unscrew all these screws. There is one back here. And one main thing, you see these three screws right down here. The thing is that you can totally take it out. It will only can be loosened, and it can be pulled out. So you need to leave there. You need to keep those screws in there, because you can take it out. And after that, after the unscrewing is done, you just need to flip this laptop like this, open it up, so slide these cards like this. Oh shit, I broke it. Like this. Slowly. Make sure you be careful while doing this. Do not rush. Like this. Then slide it slowly. Wait. Open it up like this. Open it up like this. So for this part you need to flip your laptop, and then I think you can pull it up like this. Okay, so yes, you can pull it like this. So you guys can see this is so here we are. We open the laptop, and now we can see the internals of this laptop. Let's see what we have got here. There is a lot of dust in this fan area, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna just clean it up little bit. And here is a RAM. If you guys haven't updated RAM previously, then you can just see this slot empty like this, and this is 4 GB RAM. And you can just keep this RAM in angled and push it down to lock. That's it. That's how you upgrade your RAM. And guys, you can see this is SSD slot. You can just put M.2 SSD in here, and that's it. Pretty much it. And this is battery. If you guys want to change the battery, you can do it here. This is speakers, and here we have what you say, SDD. And guys, as I mentioned earlier, let's clean this fan up. Clean this fan up. Oh, there's a lot of dust I see in this area. I have been using this laptop so roughly. And this is